అందరికీ నమస్కారం. सबको नमस्कार. In Waterfall or traditional project management, chapter 1 is project initiation, starting a successful project. In this we have number 1 project goals, number 2 project scope, number 3 project deliverables, number 4 project success criteria, number 5 stakeholders, number 6 resources, number 7 project scope, number 8 scope creep, number 9 triple constraint model. It includes scope, time, cost, quantity. Number 10 launching and landing a project. 11 working effective with stakeholders. 12 project roles like the project manager, stakeholders, project team members and project sponsors. 13 RACI chart. 14 project resources. It includes budget, people and material. 15 project charter. 16 in scope and out scope. 17 executive summary. 18 project goals. 19 project deliverables. 20 business case. 21 benefits and costs. 22 scope and execution. 23 project team. 24 measuring success, and 25 is project tools like Asana, Jira, Google Sheets, Gantt chart. These are the 25 points data have to collect from a client before starting a project. For example, company is TCS, their client company is BSNL Telecom. Before starting the project, TCS company will collect these 25 points data from the BSNL Telecom. These all the details about chapter 1 project initiation, starting a successful project. In the next vlog, chapter 2 will be there. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section and subscribe the channel also. Thanks for your support. Jai Hind.